In this video, we will learn how to make bacon, one of America's favorite foods. Originally used as a word in 16th century England to describe anything that was pork, bacon now refers solely to cured and smoked pork bellies. Although 70% of American bacon is consumed during breakfast, it is now a popular item to use for sandwiches, soups, and even as a main course. To begin, pork bellies are separated from the spare ribs and brisket bones. The skin is then carefully removed, taking care not to remove any excess meat. The bellies are visually inspected to ensure that no bone fragments have been left on the belly. A brine solution is then prepared, which includes salt, sugar, a curing agent, spices, and other seasonings. The curing agent, in this case a sodium nitrite and salt mixture, prevents the meat from spoiling and ensures safety by inhibiting foodborne pathogens. The bellies are now passed through the automated needle injector, which evenly injects each belly with the correct amount of brine solution. The bellies are removed from the injector and placed into a large holding container filled with brine solution. These bellies will be transferred in this container immediately to the next area of processing. The bellies are now placed overnight in a large pressurized and refrigerated tumbler. This machine allows the brine to evenly penetrate the belly and tenderize the meat. The next morning, the bellies are then removed from the tumbler, where a metal hanger, also called a comb, is pressed into each belly. They are then hung up on a cart that will hold the bellies while they are in the smokehouse. The cart is then rolled into the smokehouse, where an internal thermometer is inserted to measure its temperature during cooking. The bellies will first be dried under a jet of air to form what is called a pellicle. The pellicle will allow smoke to penetrate towards the inside of the meat. After drying, the bacon will be hot smoked to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Sawdust creates smoke in the smokehouse, and an electric heater cooks the bellies to a temperature of 128 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the bacon reaches the correct temperature, they are allowed to cool until they can be handled and are then removed from the smokehouse. The bacon is then cooled to 40 degrees Fahrenheit in a special refrigerator. At this point, the bacon is ready to be packaged and sold as slab bacon. These slabs can also be further processed into sliced bacon. These bacon slices are then wrapped in wax paper and placed in a plastic bag ready to be vacuum packaged. The bacon slices are then vacuum packaged, labeled with the date and time of production, and stored under refrigeration until sale. These vacuum packaged packages of bacon can be stored 1 to 2 weeks unopened in the refrigerator. After opening, they should be used within a week. Bacon should be fully cooked until desired doneness and crispiness. The bacon is now ready to enjoy.